Okay, so now that I've gotten the back shell off, I didn't know it was going to come off like that. I thought I'd be able to lift the rack off and then get the shell underneath it, but it's still got lot more bolts on it, so I wasn't able to. But now I got this cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to have to pressure wash it. Still got a lot of crap all over it and everything. But I'm going to replace most of the electronics right here, right now. I don't know what this is. I don't know why I don't know. I don't know. This is weird. They did some weird things to it. People are weird. That's fine. So I just got to figure it out, see what's going on, get into it, get involved, fix things as I go. That's not a big deal. I can fix electronics. I'm good with stuff like that.